Hello and welcome to a new video. I'm Daisy. I am so excited because HTV Rond just launched a new and super creative machine that I know you're going to love. It's their brand new phone case heat press machine. Today I want to show it to you. We'll do the unboxing, I'll share my first impressions, and of course we'll test it together. With this machine we can customize a wide variety of phone cases in different models and sizes. So stay with me and let's get started. Let's see what's in the box. The new HTV Rond phone case heat press includes all the necessary accessories to start customizing a wide variety of phone cases in all models and sizes. This machine is fully automatic and designed for precise, professional quality heat transfers. It's ideal for personalizing phone cases, achieving edge-to-edge print with vibrant colors and long-lasting results. And the best part is not just for phone cases. You can also customize coasters, keychains, badges, tags, and much more. It even works on curved surfaces up to 135 degrees, taking your designs beyond the ordinary. Plus, setup is super easy. You just connect it to the Loclick Idea Studio software and use the sublimation film included in the box, and that's it. No complicated setup, just crisp, professional results in minutes. It has a modern, sleek design and it's easy to use. Perfect for beginners or for those who already have a small business. It combines efficiency, precision, and creativity in one powerful machine. If you'd like to learn more about this machine, I'll leave the link down in the description of this video. Now that I've shown you everything included, let's go to the Loclick Idea Studio software to work on the designs we'll be printing for our first customized phone cases. Open Loclick Idea Studio, then upload your image. You can choose from their library. They have beautiful designs you can use for customizing your phone cases, or you can upload your own designs. If you want to upload your own designs, just click where it says Upload. I have a beautiful design I want to use, so I'll open it and place it on the canvas. Now, on the right-hand side, where it says My Device, we're going to select the HTV Rond phone case heat press. It will show us the list of phone cases we can customize. For example, if you want to customize an iPhone, they have templates for the iPhone 11 to the 16. You also have Samsung. Here's the list: Xiaomi, Huawei, and badges. Under badge, you can find the keychain template. I'm going to select it. Then I'm going to move the design so you see it. You can place the design inside that template. Also, you'll find ceramic plate template, luggage tag template, circular keychain template, round coaster, badge. There are 3 spaces there. You can customize 3 at a time. Just copy the design and place it on top of the template, or place different designs if you wish. And square coaster. In this case, I'll personalize a phone case for iPhone 16. The template is ready. We need to make sure the design covers the green lines. Adjust the size, place it where you want. You can make it smaller, but I want it to cover the entire phone case. I'll leave the flower in the corner. Now go to File, then Print, and select your sublimation printer. I am using my Epson EcoTank ET15000 that I have converted into a sublimation printer. This one has a special ink for sublimation. Go to Properties. Here, select the paper size. I am using A4 paper, so I'll leave it on A4. Under Paper Type, I'll choose Premium Glossy Photo Paper. Check the Print Preview, then go to More Options. It's very important to select Mirror Image. Click OK and Print. Now, let's move to the printer. To print the designs, you need a special film that comes included with the machine. It looks like a transparent film, and the matte side is the printable side. But when I place it directly into my printer, it doesn't recognize it. That's why HTV Round includes stickers you can place on top of the film so the printer detects it, and it works. However, for me, what works best and fastest is placing a regular sheet of paper behind the film when printing. The printer I am using is an Epson EcoTank ET15000, which I converted for sublimation using special sublimation ink. In the description below, I leave the links to this amazing machine and all the products I'm using in this tutorial. And that's it. We have our print ready. Now let's turn on the HTV Runt phone case heat press. Preheat it and set the temperature to 125 or 135 degrees Celsius or the equivalent in Fahrenheit. I'll preheat it to 265 degrees Fahrenheit for 305 seconds. Let's place the mold inside the press. This mold adjusts to different phone case sizes, and it also includes pieces to perfectly fit each one. For example, this phone case has rounded corners, so we'll place the rounded corner pieces into the mold. Here they are. Now place the mold inside the press to start heating. Close the lid, and while it's heating, we'll place the printed design on top of the mold, facing upward. Let it heat for about 5 minutes. While it heats, we'll place the mold into the camera opening of the phone case. This helps it keep in shape during pressing. We'll secure it with heat-resistant tape to prevent it from moving. Now, place the phone case into the mold, but remember to wear heat-resistant gloves because the press will be very hot. Place the printed design facing the phone case, close the lid, press the start button, and you'll notice the machine starts suctioning the air. Leave it like that until you hear the sound indicating it's done. And look how beautiful the phone case turned out. The colors are super vibrant and bright. I really love the result. Now I'm going to personalize another one so you can see how quick and easy it is. And here we have the second customized phone case. Super easy and it looks amazing. Now we have two personalized phone cases. As I mentioned earlier, it's not just for phone cases. Now I'm going to customize 3 badges. We'll place the metal plate at the bottom, then place the 3 circles into the holes on the plate. Let's place the badges or buttons, then the printed design. Align it with the buttons, close the lid, press start, and leave it until it signals that it's ready. And here they are. Let's see how they turn out. They stuck to the plastic, but look how cute the customized buttons are. You could add names, phrases, or any design you like. Super cute. Now I'll sublimate a square coaster. And here is the personalized coaster. Also looks amazing. As you can see, it was very easy to customize phone cases and more using the new phone case heat press machine from HTV Rond. If you would like to learn more about this machine, I'm going to link it in the video description down below. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and activate the notification bell so you won't miss any of my new videos. Thanks for watching!